Okay, so I've just walked in. The time is around about 10:20, 10:35, and this is what is happening. It's trying to raise. Looks like it can't. It's doing that. So it's just up and down, up and down. Look at here. Okay, so I've just walked in. It's around about 10:30 on the 15th of February, and the elevator is just stuck. Just doing this. The brass cone's up and it's just gotten jammed. It's obviously dumped in at the roundabout. See, it's sample tray 1. Looks like between positions 6 and 11. Right, I'm going to stop the run and probably just disconnect the power to get it. Okay, so brass cone's up, it's like that. Okay, so I came in and I found the elevator repetitively jamming up against the plate, which was not moving. I'm not sure the plate has got jammed, so I'm not sure if it's because the elevator didn't go down and then the plate moved and got stuck. I'm going to try manually moving the plate. I'm just going to loosen this a little bit so that I'm not fighting the motor. Okay, let's see. Alright, let's try moving this a little bit more. Okay. No, the brass cone is definitely stuck. Okay, tighten that up again. Okay. Alright, so that's how I've tightened it. Alright. So I'm going to, I've turned the power off. I'm going to turn the power back on and hopefully it will just clear itself. So let's see. Power on. Power light is on. And zilch. Okay, well that's fine. I'll use service mode to see if I can get it to clear, or I'll just press stop. And back to this. I'm gonna, I assume it's trying to lower the thing to clear itself. I'm gonna just stop the getting the Quantulus off. Alright, I will now try to manually clear the machine before I restart it. Alright, so all I've done is, okay, so I've all I've done is I've managed to lower that down so that the signal flag is in the sensor. So hopefully it won't try and raise it when I turn the machine on. So we'll see what happens. So, power on. No noise, good. Okay. Alright, let's just look at this. Sorry, don't do that. I'm not sure how that is. Alright. Let's try this again. No, we're back on this. So it just keeps on wanting to raise it. Alright, I'm gonna turn it off. Manually lower these. Two hands needed for this one. Alright, so that's like that. That's like that. I'm going to loosen this. Just like that. To that position. Loosen that clutch in there, whatever it's actually called, if I can. Okay, so that's loose now. Right, good. Ah, and it's getting more and more munted, that little white thing. Little bits of it are coming off. Okay. That little white thing's getting really beat up. Let's see if we can just get a picture of that. I think that's as good as we're going to get. Alright, I'm going to turn the power back on and we'll see what happens. Power on, no noise. Press the stop button so that we can actually get the PC to stop the run. And there we go. All the way up. Register in the sensor that yes, there's something there. Come back down. Okay, top of the thing is retracted. Now it's going up again. Okay, so this must just be doing its movement or working its way through the run. So let's hit stop again. Alright. Okay, I think, well, okay, I'm not sure why it used the external standard. Okay, and now it actually seems to be trying to clear. Okay, but the motors are probably spinning, but I've loosened the clutch too much for them to actually, yeah. You can see that the clutch back there is spinning, but I've loosened it too much so that it won't grab. So let's give it a little helping hand. Okay, so I think this is just clearing itself. Alright, and now we are. This is position 21. Hopefully working fine.